Welcome to the third part of our workshop series. Having learnt the basics of our pipe racking system and the key assembly steps in the first two videos, today we'll be looking at how to plan a lean solution. Whether you want to build a workstation, a rack system, or material trolleys, every successful design starts with good preparation. In this video, we'll therefore show you how we, generally approach new projects. Using existing solutions for inspiration. Not every design has to start from scratch. Often, similar solutions already exist that can serve as a basis, whether within your own company or in our digital showroom. Make use of existing best practice solutions and consider which ideas can be adopted or adapted for your application. This saves you time and allows you to benefit from tried and tested concepts. Furthermore, in many cases, the CAD data is already available, and prices are also on hand for a quick cost estimate. You'll find a link to our digital showroom in the video description. Understand the process first. Before taking measurements or selecting materials, you should first consider the process. What task is the design intended to fulfill? What problem needs to be solved, or which process needs to be improved? Once the objective is clearly defined, the subsequent planning becomes much easier. Check the application area in detail. The next step involves analyzing the future location of use. Take all relevant measurements, taking into account space constraints, access routes, and adjacent machinery. Our tip: a simple hand-drawn sketch with the key dimensions is often perfectly adequate for the initial planning stages. We provide a sketch sheet specifically for this purpose. Selecting the right system. The choice of materials should only be made once the requirements have been established. Depending on the application, different pipe systems or profiles may be suitable. Accessories such as casters, adjustable feet, or an ESD version should also be taken into account at this stage so that they can be optimally integrated into the design later on. Conclusion: good planning doesn't have to be complicated. Use existing solutions for inspiration. Start by understanding the process. Identify the key parameters and capture your ideas in a simple sketch. This will lay the foundation for a functional and cost-effective design. In the next videos, we'll show you what to look out for when planning your lean solution. Good luck.